beauties, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be having a try on, and this video has been sponsored by Shein. They have sent me a couple of dresses to try out in the video today, and this is just going to be depicting where I am currently in my life right now. So as many of you know, I've shared this a couple of times here on the channel. I have struggled with my weight for a while, and I am currently at the point where I have started to accept my size for what it is, and the best thing to do is to style myself in the way that I currently look, because it's not as easy as it was for me to lose weight some years back. Let's just say that motivation is 0 and personal determination is in -16. Okay, this acceptance has been a long time coming. I have been in denial for the longest. I might still be losing this weight at some point in my life, but at this particular junction, this is where we are. I am currently a size 16, UK 16. I can't believe the words that I'm hearing, but that's my size right now. All but one of these items are a size 16, UK 16. Sometimes I'm able to fit into a size 14 trousers, but it's going to be really tight, so I just prefer to go for a 16 just to be comfortable. But yeah, anyway, you guys, major shout out again to Shein for sponsoring this video. Alright, so if you find anything you might be interested in, the link to all these items will be in the description box below. Go ahead and click on it. They've also given my subscribers some amazing discounts, so you are able to shop and save when you use my unique code as displayed on your screen. It will also be in the description box below. Without further ado, let's just get into these items one after the other. So the first item I will be showing you guys is this really lovely bag. I have been seeing this bag online everywhere, and it is so beautiful. I love the fact that it has no name on it, no name at all. Although this is from their Muffed collection, the name is somewhere in there. I think it's on this side. Yep. So yeah, this is the name of the brand. So what it looks like inside is quite spacious, quite roomy. Yeah, so I really love this bag. I love how dainty it is. It comes in a number of colors, but I chose this beige color because it is a neutral color and I can basically carry this with anything. All right, so this is the very first item. Really love this purse. Another advantage is the fact that it is waterproof, because this material, if water touches it, it doesn't destroy it. I can just wipe it down and I'm good to go. All right, so the first item we are going to be trying out is this, I call it a milkmaid dress. Anyway, that's what it is to me. That's what it looks like to me. So it has some really lovely designs. I love the bodice that is sewn into this dress. I love the elastic, you know, how stretchy it is. In retrospect, I should have gotten this in a size 14 because it's kind of loose, but I still love it anyway. It's not as fitting as I would love it to be. I love the gathers at the back. I love the kind of U shape that it also has at the back. I'll put this on a stand to the side so that you guys can see what it looks like on me. I love how long it is. It also comes with a lining here at the bottom, so all the bits are not, you know, visible to the general public. However, the only thing I don't like is the fact that this bodice only stops in the front. It doesn't go all the way to the back, so it kind of gives, I don't know, it doesn't give continuity to it, but I love the dress regardless. Anyway, you might want to have like a camisole on or something. This is just preference because the top has this slit in here, so if you're a conservative person like myself, you might want to consider that. That's what this first one is looking like. I really love the material as well. It's thick enough for this weather. So yeah. Moving on to the next item, you guys. I picked out this burgundy dress. I really love it. I love how the front is. You know, it's very much like the back. It's kind of one of those dresses that you can't really tell the front from the back, which makes it really good because you don't have to bother with, you know, orientation and all of that. Anyway, it has a couple of gathers on the side. Like I said, all of these items are in a size 16, UK 16. I love how stretchy this is. It has a lot of give. It also conceals your flap, so if you have like an extra tire, which is code word for like a floppy belly, this will conceal it very well. I also love the different layers and gathers that it has on. Really love this one. I'm also going to be styling this with a number of belts. Just for today, I'll be using just this thick one, and you can basically style this up any which way you like, so you can match this to your accessories or bag of choice for the day. It's really nice. I really love it, and I love the fact that it's also thick and it's not see-through as well. It's not see-through, so you know it's thick enough to conceal all your bits underneath. Alright, the next one is this really lovely black dress. I love the lace up on there. It also has some really nice embroidered design at the front here. I love this dress. I wore this to church on Sunday and it was really nice. I love how the sleeves are long. You can choose to pull this up, you know, if you want to. Also has gathers by the arm. You can also style this with a belt as well, because you can see that it has a number of details. These are like silver details on there with the belt, and yeah, it's really nice. I love the base of it as well, because it has like that V cut to it, so you can get to style this up in a number of ways, with leggings, with, you know, jeggings, things like that. So it's really nice. So this next item is probably my favorite from this collection or from this entire haul, and that's this lovely flower print dress. I love this dress so much. This is what the arm looks like. It's kind of like a flared arm. I really truly love this one. I really do. It's lined inside and out, so the top is lined and the bottom is also lined. That's one of the things I love about it. So this is what it looks like without the lining, and this is what it looks like with the lining. So you are concealed with this dress. I would say with this dress, I don't know why, I feel like the bust area is not true to size, but that's just me. Anyway, I went ahead to style this with a really tiny belt. You can also use a thick belt if you prefer, but I really love this one. It came in 2 colors, so I'll probably get this in another color. If you guys find anything that you really like, let me know in the comment section. For me, that was my favorite. I really love that one. So the last and final item for the day is this 2-piece. I got this 2-piece set from their website. It's kind of something that also conceals your belly. However, the trouser is a see-through. I didn't know that, but you might want to put on some leggings with that just for modesty. I love the off-shoulder kind of thing that it has going on. It's really nice. It's great for spring and summer, which is kind of the season that we're in. Today there's not been any sun. It's just been cloud all through. But anyway, guys, I really love it, and I love the fact that, you know, the lines don't kind of go in the same way. So you see, like, there's 3 ways the lines are going. It's going diagonally across, and then, you know, it just gives you a very nice look when you put this all together. So you can also choose to style it differently. So you can put this top on with a different pair of pants or with jeans, and you can put the trousers on with a different kind of top. So it's really versatile. I love all these items. Anyway, that's the haul for today's video. Thank you again to Shein for sponsoring this video. It's always a pleasure to work with you and just show people, you know, the different kind of styles and accessories that you can get with Shein. By the way, you guys, these rings are also from Shein, not from this collection. I bought this with my money, but yeah, they have really nice accessories. Yes, Shein comes with earrings as well. So if you see anything that you like, go ahead, click on the link. Shein is your plug. It's your plug literally for household and clothing items. Anyway, you guys, it's a wrap for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Moving on to the next item. What's your problem?